Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Bahria College's PNAT online lectures. I am Salima Raza, your chemistry teacher, class 10 Federal. The chapter is Organic Chemistry. It is our second lecture of chapter 11, Hydrocarbon and its types, some examples of hydrocarbons. Learning objectives. At the end of this topic, students will be able to understand what is hydrocarbon, distinguish between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon and its types. Dear students, we have learned in our last lecture that there are millions of organic compounds. Almost 10 billion organic compounds have been discovered and still new are being synthesized. Since there are so many organic compounds, it makes sense to group similar compounds. In this lecture, our focus is going to be on hydrocarbons. It contains only carbon and hydrogen as we see in the definition. Hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are compound containing carbon and hydrogen only. There are two types of hydrocarbon, saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Example of hydrocarbons. Dear student, now I am showing you some example of hydrocarbons which are made of hydrocarbons. Like motor oil is used in vehicles, asphalt is a mixture of dark bituminous pitch with sand or gravel used for surfacing road. Wax is used in candlelight. It is also a hydrocarbon. Rain boot made from rubber or polyvinyl. And transport use fuel, which is also a hydrocarbon. There are two types of hydrocarbon, saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. First, saturated hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon whose carbon-carbon bonds are single bond are called saturated hydrocarbon, and hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon multiple bonds are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Example of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. As I told you in my last slide that hydrocarbons whose carbon-carbon bonds are all single bonds are called saturated hydrocarbon. Let us see the structure of butane. The first one is the structure of butane, which contains 4 number of carbon atom but different in that they have different hydrogen number. Another difference you may notice in first structure that it contains only single bond between atoms. If you notice that all bond in first structure are fully used up, so we can say saturated hydrocarbon and we called it as alkane. In second structure, double bond is present between 2 carbon atom and triple bond is present in third structure. The hydrocarbon which contain at least one double or triple bond is called alkene or alkyne. Double or triple bond can be broken and something can be added, so it is called unsaturated hydrocarbon. Home task. Do question number 7, 8 and 9 of your review question for your practice. Dear student, today my topic is completed. We will meet in our next lecture. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.